Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this session, you are going to learn how to write div tag and how to handle this div portion. Some portion like a web page is very big and when you observe the screen, there is a lot of space is there in your web page. So accordingly, which block of part, if you want to control independently, you can write by div tags and handle the code very comfortably. So very simple div tag we'll see now. By writing the div tag, its a tag is div and put a tab, you will see the div tag, open and end tag. So inside the div element, we can write like a h2 and hello, I am inside div. And similarly you can write like a paragraph p tag, and here this is paragraph. So these two things I have added here. If I want to apply for these particular div tag elements to presenting some colors, if I am looking like this block only, not enter the page, so how I'll go? By applying of a simple text, I'll show you. Anyhow, we are going to learn in the like CSS things. Like let me write a simple thing here. To applying of a style, you can not strong. Just a second. It's a style tag I'm writing here, style, yeah, style tag. Type CSS and all. Inside the style tag, we have to write like my div I am writing as an ID, and open and end curly braces. Inside I am applying border for this particular div element, the portion of area. So now see like some border size is 5px and outset information like red. So one attribute I have added, and one more background color also I need to put like light light blue. I like most like a blue color only. So I'm taking two attributes. So that the my div is declaration. When we put a dot and my div, if it is written like this is also called, it's a class name for this particular CSS. So this class having two attributes. Okay, so my div, anyhow you will learn like on CSS lectures you will learn very clearly this information. So my div I am taking as a class name. This class name I am applying here in like the ID, which is a class equal to class, class equal to the attribute name is my div. Okay, so now save it and check it. Yeah, let's go here. So see, these portion only I am applying for red border and background color of light blue, and this h1 tag and paragraph inside the div is applied for background. So how simple and how beauty. I'm not taking entire the page. So this div element only I'm handling and controlling with applying of this class. Similarly, not only this div element, if any paragraph, if you want to apply the same class, yes, you can apply the same class also. Just simply inside the paragraph, you can take a space and write the class, and equal to, you need to apply the class name. That's it. The same thing will be applied for this paragraph also. So this way, div element will give you a more control to handling different type of items and elements and making the sizes, and all will help you more and more. Alright, so I hope it's a better understand for this lecture. We'll see and we'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.